Okay, here's a short introduction about the Thermomix. Okay, here's the Thermomix. It's already on when you plug in. Here, if you want to turn it off, press long press. It will turn off. Okay, you press one time again to turn it on. Okay, here is the Thermomix bowl, and this is the base, measuring cup, blades. The blades is special design for all the 4 blades are in different degree and different heights. Make sure it is effective enough to blend the ingredient into very super fine in just 1 second. Here is the butterfly, spatula, cover, varoma dish, simmering basket. Okay, how to fix this in? I put this base. You can use 2 hands, but 1 hand I'm holding it with a handphone. Here you sit your Thermomix bowl. Make sure you have the V shape. Okay, why? Because it gets the hole here. You free the hole if you are in V shape. Okay, if you turn it into different direction, you see that is a gray blocker here. So that is how you lock the blades. Okay, now you free the hole, fit in the blades. You have two tooth on the blades. Okay, so you fit in the hole here. Okay, lock the base. Okay, that's how it works. Very simple. And you also find 2 straight stopper here in the machine that you can slide in perfectly the bowl to the machine. Okay, here is the cover. Okay, it comes with the rim. Every time when we use the cover, make sure the rim is fixed in as well. Now you have 3 latches here to stop the rim. Okay, 3 latches here. So you put the rim on it, press the place where you have the latch. Okay, now to lift up the rim, don't just pull the silicone here. It will break easily, okay, for long-term usage. So what you do is, there is a small space design in the cover here where you can fit in your finger and you press the ring and lift it up. Okay, very simple and easy. Wash, when you wash, make sure the rim is sticking out so that you can wash this cover thoroughly. Okay, now to function this one, or to cover it properly, okay, make sure the triangle is faced to the same direction as the handle. Okay, lock in this way. Can you hear the sound? That means it is locked properly. This is the scale button. If you want to add ingredient, you can press the scale. You can pour water in, or if you think it is not suitable because the hole is very small, okay, what you do is you can just take it out and the number will gone. You press one more time. Okay, you add in 1 ingredient, then you press another time, you add in another ingredient, and so on. If you have 10 ingredients, then you press each time you will add the ingredient to get the weight. Okay, very simple and fast. Okay, cover it, triangle, face it to the same direction as the handle, then only you can lock it properly. Okay, simmering basket. Okay, simmering basket is good to cook rice. Cooking rice is simple. You just weight the rice, how much you want to cook this time. Every time when you cook the rice, you make sure the water is just nice to cover the rice. That's it. Okay, very simple. So when this is cooked, you use the spatula. There's a special design hook behind the spatula to hook it out. Okay, in the basket you have a hole over here, so you poke it in, pull it tight, then lift up. Actually it's quite easy to lift up. Okay, then you lift it up and you put it one side. Okay, this is how you use spatula and the simmering basket. Okay, regarding the butterfly, where we used it to whisk egg white or to help us in cooking, especially when we fry noodles or cooking the chicken chop or the meat, we use butterflies to help cooking. over here, the blades. Cooking, you have two types. One, in the clockwise direction. If we are using the clockwise direction, okay, we usually will put our butterfly in this place. So look at the high blades. The high blades is here. You put the butterfly in front of the high blades, okay? In front of the high blades, okay? When you turn in this way, it will block properly. What about if it is using the reverse sign? That means we are using the anti-clockwise. When we're using the anti-clockwise, the butterfly will turn in this way. So effectively turn this butterfly to be in front of the high blades. In front of the high blades, okay? That's here you put your chicken chop, you put meat, you put your lo xu fan or mi hun or your spaghetti here to help cooking. So it's most of the ingredient will be blocked over here, and in order they can cook and fry properly. Okay, this is butterfly. So you cover with it, and measuring cup. When butterfly is used, we do it in this way. You cover. So let's say I want to whisk the egg white, so we cover it, or I want to whisk the cream, I cover in this way. Whenever the butterfly is used or the simmering basket is used in here, the maximum speed is speed 4. Okay, maximum speed is speed 4. Okay, if normal cooking without butterfly and without the simmering basket, okay, even simmering basket, okay lah. Only normal cooking when without butterfly, usually the measuring cup, we put it in this way because we do not want the steam and the water, the vapors collect in this hole here. So we do it in this way. And it is loosened because we don't want all the food being, how do you call that? That you just do not like the smell when the food is just in the vacuum situation, okay? It is not good to the food. Okay, here, if we want to use the varoma dish, okay, we just straight away put the varoma on top without the measuring cup. That's how we use to steam our bao and use to steam our vegetables or steam egg. Okay. Here is a weighing scale already introduced. To press away the reverse button, just press another time. Now each time you want to use the turbo and the kneading button, you have to turn this speed down into the locked position. Then you can function the timer, or you can use kneading. Okay, you press it away with another time. Here is the timer. If I want to chop the garlic with speed, time 5 seconds, with speed 5, I press 5 seconds, and with speed 5. Okay, as long as it is until 0, you hear the sound and you lock the Thermomix. Okay, if I want to cook 30 minutes, so you press -1 time, it will skip to the minute, then only you add until long press until 30 minutes. Okay, then every time we set the time, if you think that, oh, I don't need 30 minutes, I wrong press, so I double press 2 buttons at the same time, then I reset again for 5 minutes. Okay, use the minute and then press the temperature that you required, and then turn your speed. Okay, and everything will function properly. If you only press the temperature without setting the time, no matter how long you cook, and the temperature will not rise, and in 1 minute time the light will be disappeared. Okay, in order to temperature working well, you have to set the time before cooking. Okay. If you forget, doesn't matter, turn it off, reset everything. Okay, you set the time again, speed 5, and then press the temperature again, and then speed. Usually cooking is soft speed or speed 1. Okay, this is how it goes. Now there is a 5 pins underneath the bowl, which you have to be careful, because each time when you use this 5 pin or you wash a Thermomix and you want to cook again, this 5 pin, you have to dry them with a dry cloth before putting back into the Thermomix machine. Okay, dry the pin properly. Okay, that is all about the Thermomix that you need to use. Enjoy your cooking. I'm Jane. God bless you.